the hand that was always there to protect me, the way that I always felt around him, and somehow that was taken away from me. My grandfather was a generous soul. He never wanted anything from anyone. He was independent till the day that he last lived. But for me personally, he was an angel. Someone who would fulfill all my wishes without even telling him. He was the one who celebrated even my smallest wins. I clearly remember when I was in my 10th standard and my results came out. He was the first one who was so happy. I just could see it from his face, the excitement and the happiness that he had for me. He bought a box full of sweets just to celebrate that occasion, and whereas my father did not do that. And also, I remember a time I was in my fourth standard, and there was a guy in my bus who used to bully me and say a lot of hurtful things to me. I tried to adjust to it a few times, but one day I came out of the bus crying. And my grandfather was the one who used to pick me up and drop me. He saw me crying and he took a stand for me. At that age, I did not know that there was someone out there looking out for me. So it made me feel very happy that I don't want to have to worry about everything. There are people to take care of me. But the day he passed away, I could not process those emotions because having a loss at a very young age, I was not able to get out of it and not able to experience those feelings as well. I tried to forget it, like let it go, but I was not able to eat properly. I cried every day at night. I could not even sleep properly. Slowly and slowly, those emotions passed away because as we grow, those memories of with someone who was in your past, they do not try to stick with you because you make new memories with new people. And if now I think about it, it really hurts me because he was the one who made me feel loved. How can I forget about him? So it is very difficult to move on from that part. And what I feel today is I don't want to forget him. I always want to carry him with me. In conclusion, what I have learned from this is that we cannot control time. We cannot prevent loss, but what we can do is we can utilize that time that we have with that someone we love. Do not wait for a big occasion to celebrate someone. Do not even wait to spend time with someone that you love. If you have time, please give it to them. Because someday you will think that what if I had one more moment with them, and you'll just be able to think about it because that moment will never come. So this gives us a lesson that if we have time in our plate, if we have time for our parents, our grandparents, we should be always there with them. And one more thing that I have learned is that I cannot hold on to the past. What I can do is I can honor him. Whenever I help someone, I'm there for someone and celebrate people's small win. I think that I'm honoring him because that's what he did for me. So I can also do that for others. That is how he'll be with me always and forever. I hope that you learn something from this. Thank you.